Hi, and welcome to SMENCO. My name's Dave Smith. This is the wonderful world of welding high technology equipment. I'd like to talk to you for a few moments about the company called SMENCO. SMENCO's been in business now for 18 years. We're in the welding and welding related import business in Australia. We employ 42 staff members based around Australia, over 4 branches and 4 home offices. Our branches are based in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane and Perth, with Melbourne being our head office. In addition to this, we have 4 home offices, and by that I mean where we have a technical salesperson working from home. We have one of these based in Launceston, in Adelaide, in Mackay and Gladstone. You know, we employ out of our 42 staff, 22 of them are technical sales specialists, and they're spread around our branches and home offices. We only sell quality welding and welding related products, and I'll tell you more about our products in a few moments. But first it's important, and I want to tell you that the equipment that we sell, all the equipment and the agencies at Fronius that SMENCO have, where we repair and service everything that we sell. So you can be rest assured that any product that you buy from us, we're not going to run away. As I say, we've been in business for 18 years. We service and repair all this equipment, not just under warranty, but after that as well. In Melbourne, where we cover the whole of Victoria, we have our own service technicians, 3 qualified service technicians in-house here in our Melbourne head office. And around Australia, we have several highly skilled welding and service agents. What I'd like to do now is talk to you about the agencies that we have and the type of equipment that we've got. And firstly, I'd like to talk about Fronius. Fronius is one of the longest agencies that we had. In fact, it's an agency that we started our business with many years ago. Fronius, what do they make? They make welding machines, and they make the world's best welding machines. I know many people can say this, but we can back it up by the quality of the equipment that we have. You know, they make equipment from the small manual metal arc machine, or stick welder as many people know it as, right through AC/DC TIG inverters. An inverter is a very portable, lightweight machine, pulse MIG machines, and a range of automation and robotic equipment. With automation, we have things like orbital TIG welding. So this is a piece of equipment that's designed to weld around a pipe. We have CMT, or cold metal transfer. This is a MIG welding process with a very low heat input. And we have plasma TIG. Many automation products in terms of turning rolls, positioners, and automatic driving vehicles that will hold a torch while you weld down a seam, for example. A little bit about the history of Fronius is that, as I say, we've had this agency for a long time. Fronius is an Austrian company. It was started by a gentleman called Gunther Fronius, and it's still a privately owned company now. Even though many of our competitors have tried to buy this company, it's still privately owned. The gentleman that founded the company is still alive at 105 years old, and it's now in the 3rd generation hands of the Fronius family. And as I say, they make the world's best quality welding machines. In terms of physical size, they're about number 3 or 4, about number 4 in the world in terms of physical size regarding welding manufacturers, but they're number 1 in terms of welding technology. So no matter what you want to weld, Fronius will have a welding machine to suit your application. Our next agency, and probably our 2nd largest agency, is a company called Eutectic Castellan. A company that manufactures wear products, and such as wear plate. What's wear plate? Wear plate is a steel plate of various thicknesses where we weld or thermal spray a coating on it to make it last longer. That's the basic interpretation of wear plate. And this is also available in tube form. So various diameters of tube where we actually weld on the inside of the tube with a hard facing type material. In addition to this, they sell specialized MIG, TIG, and stick or manual metal arc electrodes for special applications. As I say, most of these products are suited to the service and repair industry. And in addition to this, they have welding machines, welding equipment, and thermal spray equipment. Our next agency is a company called Bowler Welding. This is a recently acquired agency for us, and as with Eutectic, it sells a range of welding consumables in terms of MIG, TIG and MMA or stick electrodes. It's a German company, so you can be sure of the consistently high quality product that they produce. And if you're into pipe welding, then Bowler have some of the best products available for pipe welding applications. Our next agency is Kemper. Kemper, again, another German company, and they manufacture extraction systems, fume extraction systems, and welding and cutting tables. Fume extraction systems from the small portable systems where you see with just a hood over the top, right through to ducted systems that you see in many larger engineering companies, manufacturing companies around Australia. And Kemper has it all, so they have from the small unit right through to the large ducted systems. So if you're into fume extraction or you need fume extraction, we have the best. Another company now which is English or based in UK, so not English, sorry, it comes from Wales. They manufacture HFT, hunting and fusion techniques, manufacture a large range of pipe purging equipment. Inflatable purge bags, for example. These are bags that go inside the pipe before you weld, and you connect your shielding gas up to it. They expand. When they expand, the valve opens and fills the middle between the two bags. So these are available from 1 inch or 25 millimetre right up to very large diameter pipes. In addition to this, they produce pipe stoppers, tungsten grinders, multi-strike tungstens, which are a long-lasting tungsten which is designed for automation and robotic applications specifically, and purge monitors, to name a few. Next agency is Buggo. Buggo, you may think it's a funny name, but there's nothing funny about the products they produce. This is again another high quality product that we sell, and this time it's made by our American friends. With a large range of automation equipment for both welding and cutting, there is sure to be something in this range that will suit your automation application. So automation equipment for both cutting and welding. That's Buggo. ProArc. ProArc is another automation manufacturer that manufacture positioners, turning rolls, and in addition to this, also a range of CNC cutting systems. Messer cutting systems and Steel Tailor. These are CNC cutting machines, so similar to ProArc, we have a range of Messer cutting systems. Messer is a German company, and they make some of the largest CNC cutting systems in the world today. Whereas Steel Tailor is what we call a portable cutting system. So it's a cutting system that you could basically throw into the back of your car, put the track on the roof, and take it to site or anywhere where you want to cut items. Particular products. So as you can see, we're fully equipped when it comes to CNC cutting equipment, and of course with these cutting machines we also offer an installation service. So installation and service right through the lifetime of the equipment. And when we sell these systems, we strongly recommend the plasma that we recommend. The plasma machine is Hypertherm cutting systems. The next one is bore repair systems, and bore repair systems, as the name suggests, repairs bores. What this equipment does is designed to refurbish the internal bores wherever this is needed. So whether it be in the workshop or whether it be on site, the equipment is portable enough to be able to move from job to job. And the idea of this, if you take something like a front-end loader, for example, where the pins go through for the bucket, you can remove these pins, and often the wear factor is in where the pins slide into. So you can use these bore repair systems to build up this, and then you can actually machine it back, and it's as good as, if not better than new. DWT, this is the last agency that I'd like to talk to you about. Again, another German-made product. They manufacture a large range of pipe prep and cutting equipment, pipe cutting equipment. So if you're in the pipeline industry, this is equipment that is particularly suited to your industry. I've now covered the 11 agencies that SMENCO represent in Australia. We're very proud to have these agencies. Most of this equipment that we sell is Austrian, German, or from the UK, so it is high quality products, and we believe that if you're in welding, we're in a very good position with the equipment that we sell to fulfill most of your welding needs when it comes to equipment related products. On closing and in conclusion, if you'd like to know more about our range of high quality welding products, you can contact us on the above details. For example, our 1300 number, 1300 728 422, and this will go to our closest office, so to your location. So remember, we have offices in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane and Perth, so wherever you ring from, it will be connected to our closest office, where we will have somebody there to answer any inquiry you may have. Alternatively, if you want to find out more information also, you can go to our website. Our website is www.smenco.com.au. That's www.smenco.com.au. Or you can email me, Dave. That's dave@smenco.com.au. Thank you.